Sliding into home. Understanding a classic phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, sliding into home. This expression is rich in meaning and has roots in American culture, particularly in baseball. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery of this phrase together. The phrase, sliding into home, originates from baseball, a popular sport in the United States. In baseball, a player slides into home plate to score a run. This action is often dramatic and signifies a crucial moment in the game. The phrase has transcended the sport, evolving into a common idiom in everyday English. In its literal sense, sliding into home refers to a baseball player sliding into the home plate. Figuratively, it implies reaching a goal or completing a task in a challenging or dramatic manner. It conveys the sense of achieving something significant, often at the last moment or against the odds. You might hear sliding into home in various contexts. For example, meeting a deadline. I finished the project just in time, like sliding into home. Accomplishing a goal. After many struggles, he felt like he was sliding into home when he got the promotion. It's a versatile phrase that adds a dramatic flair to a story or conversation. This phrase holds a special place in American English due to its baseball origins. It's reflective of the American spirit, determination, risk-taking, and achieving success. Understanding such phrases can offer insights into American culture and values. Sliding into home is more than just a sports term, it's a vivid expression of achieving success against the odds. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Keep learning and exploring the fascinating world of English idioms. See you in the next video.